Hey guys, welcome back to Revved Up with Mike. Today we are going to be taking this driver's seat out and installing a Jegs Performance high back racing seat in the Fiat 500 Abarth. I don't have my resistors yet, so we'll have to put those in later on, but we're going to put the seat in. I have it solid mounted right now over here, and I used a Sparco 600 seat base. And, well, everything came together really nicely, so hopefully it fits properly in the car. Without any further ado, let's put this thing in, and don't forget to disconnect your battery first so you don't have seat airbags going off in your face. So let's get that battery disconnected and we'll start pulling this seat out. Okay, battery's disconnected, and what we have in the back, we're going to start in the back, and we have two Allen heads right here. We have one right here, and we have one over here. This one you don't have to worry about. That's just a locator pin. Should slide right over that. Okay, we'll get down in here. This is actually a 6mm. If you want to use a socket, I am simply going to break these free using an Allen wrench. And these broke free pretty easily. If you have any rust on your vehicle, it might not be so easy. Okay, now we're going to slide our seat back and get the fronts. Now the fronts take a 15mm socket. These ones might be a little harder to break free. Usually these see a little more rust, especially up here on this side. It's pretty easy. Yeah, pretty easy for those. Remember, we have airbags connected under here. We will have to disconnect. Once again, make sure your battery is disconnected before you start this job. Always put your bolts in a safe location and make sure you use Loctite on them when you put them back together. They are Loctited from the factory, by the way. Now we're simply going to let the seat tip. So we tip our seat up. There's a power plug right here. We push down on the top, unplug it here. That easy, and now our seat is ready to remove. Good time to vacuum your carpet while you're in there. And pull out this soggy thing. And now we're going to give this thing a quick vacuum. So I'm also not going to be using this air pump strap right here. So I'm going to try to find the right size, and there it be. And pull these out. These are not in tight at all. So this looks to be a perfect fitment. I don't have anything tight right now, but man, this does look really nice. I do like the look. Let's get some bolts in this thing and see how it's going to sit. Let's start with our front bolts. Once again, guys, there is no seat sliders for this seat. I opted out. I do have the sliders. I opted out. I want a fixed seat. And I am using the red Loctite. Just a little dab. Now don't get that stuff on your upholstery, whatever you do. Now I'm not going to tighten these front ones up yet until we get the back started. Just snug. You're going to be sitting much lower in the vehicle for sure if you go this route. So far, so good. Okay, it's mounted in the car. It's very comfortable. It's quite lower, which I like. I don't want to use sliders because that's going to bring me back up high in the car, and I need room for a helmet. Okay, so let's check it out. See what dinghies and whatever we got going on here, so we know exactly what I have to address. There's a quick release wheel. Looks good. Maybe raise the wheel up just a smidge. There we go. And we're gonna have, we have an airbag light right now, but we don't have an airbag light. That is it. A service airbag system. So we're gonna have to figure out which ones are the right wires and put a 2.2 ohm resistor between it around the block. Let's see how she feels here. Let's do that. Actually feels nice driving. Very nice. I think I can deal with this, honestly. Wow, it's very comfortable. This is super comfortable. Wow. Yeah, that feels good. Now we just gotta wait. I don't want to go too far because we don't have any seat belts in the car, but now just wait for our racing harness. We'll at least get that in here. And I can deal with the airbag light. I can deal with the airbag light for now. Everybody wants to know why we're doing this. Why? Race car. That's why. By the way, guys, we have an install video coming of a really nice stainless steel exhaust system for this car. So stay tuned for that too. We'll come back later, next episode, install these harnesses. And harness, I should say, for now. And wow, yeah, this worked out quite nicely. Very, very happy with it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Revved Up with Mike. Make sure you hit that like button, share, and subscribe on the way out.